Hello, ma'am. My name is Uma Mahajan, and my today's topic name is uh, the hare's tortoise story. The story of the hare and the tortoise is a classic fable from uh, Aesop that conveys powerful moral lessons. Here's details explanations of the story. The plot. Once upon a time, a hare and a tortoise decided to have a race. uh, the hare was known for his incredible speed, while the tortoise was slow and steady. Confident in his ability, the hare mocked the tortoise and was sure he uh, would win is the race. At the start of the race, the hare quickly dashed ahead, spoon left, looking back and realizing how slow the tortoise was, the hare decided to rest under a tree. Thinking he lay down and fell asleep. Meanwhile, the tortoise kept moving forward at a slow but steady pace. He did not stop or lose focus. Eventually, the tortoise passed by the sleeping hare and kept going. The outcome, when the hare wake up, he realized the tortoise was near the finish line. Panicking, he ran as fast as he could to catch up, but it was too late. The tortoise crossed finish line that first, and winner the race. The moral, the story teaches uh, uh, profound lessons. Slow, that means is slow and steady wins the race. It emphasizes that constancy, focus, and determinations are more important than speed or talent alone. The hare lost because of overconfidence, lack of discipline. Tortoise success uh, perseverance and dedications. Uh, this fable remains relevant as a metaphor for life, reminding us that success keep working steadily and toward their goals, even the face of challenges. Certainly, let's delve ever deeper into the story of the hares and the tortoise exposing its lessons, characters, and applications in life. That is a expanded analysis. First is the characters, the hares. The hare is a represented people who are confident, skilled, fast, but often really too much on their natural ability. While the hair is capable, is organs and competency lead to failures. Second character is the tortoise. Some individuals who might not be as naturally but demonstrate qualities like perseverance, patience, uh, patience and focus. Uh, Consistency efforts can overcome even significant disadvantage. Second is a deeper theme, and that first is a overconfidence can be harmful. The hare underestimate his opponent due to his own arrogance. Overconfidence can lead to carelessness, which often result in failure. And life is not always about speed. It's a reminder that in many situations, rushing thoughts, task without thoughts, or planning can lead to mistakes, while confidence and deliberate efforts, it's better results. So thank you, ma'am.